Nowadays you might have heard about people who think that Earth is flat. They argue and try to prove that Earth is flat, that the truth is hidden from us. When these arguments are distilled down to their basics, they have two things that bothers them: the horizon, and that they cannot feel the Earth moving. Most if not all arguments used are basically some variation of these 2 points. Examples: the horizon is always horizontal and rises to eye level, no matter how high you go. If the Earth was a spinning ball, a helicopter could just hover above the ground, and it would reach its destination. Some of these explanations can sound logical, that is, until you scale it down to a level that is easily understood. The easiest ones to do this with are the spinning Earth disproofs. Just do the examples on a bus at constant speed, helicopter, ball, and water in a bowl or cup, and you easily see the invalidity of these so-called proofs. Most of the believers base their beliefs on what they see and what they feel as logical. And that brings us to the question of why. As far as I can ascertain, there are roughly 4 kinds of flat Earth proponents. The lazy believer, a person that is not very critical, but wants to be in on the secret, or not being fooled by the establishment. These people believe in most conspiracies, and will not do an exhaustive check. As soon as they hit on something they do not understand, they will not spend the mental effort of learning. These people, most likely, will quote and link to other flat Earth proponents. They will also, most likely, ignore that which they cannot answer. The intellectual believer, a person that does research, sets things in boxes if you will, and works from there. Thing is, these people work from the premise that the Earth is flat, and searches for proof that confirms their belief, which makes them discard any evidence to the contrary. In a discussion they will sound scientific and logical, and if you do not remember your basic physics, their arguments are compelling. These believers will ignore, or deflect questions that does not fit in with their reality. The paranoid believer, a person that thinks that there is a conspiracy going on, that there is some sinister cabal of people that wants to take power from him or her. These people will in most cases find their own take on reality, and hence live in a world where no fact is a fact, unless he or she believes in it. The troll believer, a person that think it is fun to be contradictory, to wind up others and be as frustrating as possible. In this category you will also find those who see it as an opportunity to get easy money, in other words, the opportunist. The money trolls are in many ways those who have spurred the current flat Earth wave on, since they want to sell their product. The common denominator of 3 of these, at a basic level, are that they reject the possibility of others being better informed than they are. You could say this is a response to the increasing complexity of our understanding of our reality, where you need to specialize in a subject to an extent that makes layman knowledge not sufficient to completely understand the subject. There will be parts of the subject that seems illogical, if you just have a layman's understanding. There is one interesting fact, and that is, there are no deep-sea sailors or airline pilots that believe in flat Earth. This may have something to do that the environment they work in does not easily lend itself to support a flat Earth. So, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Give a thumbs up, comment and share.